have a voice. Give me 1 minute now. The man come. Me said to the man, say, the young lady can buy something across the road. Me not have no way to put the long in truck. Just give me 2 minutes. And that will not create me and him over, brother. I don't have no disappointed in me. Eh? So I'm to the man. One to the man. We are creating a mountain out of this thing here. Sergeant have to find gun for me, say, I'm going to kill me. How do you, man? How do you, man? How do you, man? The license, boss. You got the license, man. Go on, boss. You can't exit the truck, sir, please. You want to do something. How do you, man? You not create a mountain out of this thing. How do you, man? Why?
We need to talk to you.
Me not have to step out for you to talk to me.
The police need to talk to you.
You me not have to step out for you to talk to me, Sergeant. That me I tell you. You don't have me not have to step out of the vehicle for you to talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Step on the beat.
Miss, this thing never have to reach us, you know. I not difficult. I want truck.
Take out the license.
I want truck. I mean, I have nowhere else to park it.
Sorry, take out the license. Don't charge.
You don't want to take it.
We take out the license already.
Come talk to you.
Boy, Equalites, me I tell you no. Police them booked me up at Santa Cruz yesterday. Me just catch the truck Taz and company. Send go get little food, brother. 2 dozen police corral me. Corral me, you know, brother. Me fi come out of the truck. Me say, why? Them need to talk to me. Me say, brother, me not fi come out of my truck for no talk to me. At 2 times, the sergeant point M16 in my face. He will shoot me. Me say, sergeant, where you going to shoot me for? When everything subsided and we end up at the station, me say, sergeant, where you going to shoot me for? Police call him, say they want assistance. Me say, yes, what they want assistance for? Police say, man, I resist and need to be taken to the station. Me say, for what? When me I resist? Him, the police, them never tell him. Me say, you are the sergeant and the most senior man on the scene. When you come, you did ask them? No. The situation did I get out of hand, so I did have to deal with it. What kind of situation I get out of hand? Me nah come out of the truck. So me say, what me I come out of the truck for? What me I come out of the truck for? No say me commit a violation. Do I need to come out of the truck, Brethren, for what? Brethren, 2 dozen police corral me yesterday. At the end of it all, everybody I go say, why me never tell them say a police? Why me need to tell them say me a police? Me not do nothing wrong. Me not want a preferential treatment. Me don't need to tell them say me a police. You should not see them run up and down like them a madans, all because of what? Me need to come out of my truck. Why? Why? As Lindsay say, police don't like answer question. Anytime we are police and we buck up on citizens, we ask you one simple question sometimes. Why? Why do I need to do what you just said? Them no want answer it. Force, brother. Trust me. You hear how long me a talk and I borrow me a borrow Lindsay saying, say, yo, me a police again? You rather worse now than. Worse. And me a tell you no. Me a tell you no, period. Bitter. Me hungry. Me hungry when me see how police deal with me yesterday. Me I say, yo, I saw no deal with people on the road. You can imagine? I saw no deal with people on the road.
September 7th, 1990.